Hello. I am very sorry that I'm not at school today. I can talk more about why later, but right now, what I want to do is explain to you what you need to do today because we have one final step in order to make sure that you're ready for your test tomorrow. So, what I'd like you to do is get out a sheet of paper. Come on, get it out. Get it out. Just kidding. Not really. Okay. Get out a sheet of paper, pencil. I want you to write down these 7 founding documents that we've covered. Write down, please, Declaration of Independence. Write down Articles of Confederation. Write down North West Ordinance. Write down U.S. Constitution. Federalist Papers. Of course, you know the next one is Anti-Federalist Papers. And then I'd like you to write down finally Bill of Rights. Okay. Those 7, make sure that you have those written down on that sheet of paper. Now, when you are done writing those, put them to the side for a minute, please. Then you go to, if you haven't gotten out your Chromebook, please go ahead and get out your Chromebook and log in. When you log in, no matter what period it is, log in to the Google Classroom, log into Google Classroom, then go to Classwork, Founding Documents Basics, to prepare you for the test on Friday. It's a Google form. This is all of the founding documents, right? These are the basics. These are just to see how you're doing, right? And I don't want you to use notes. I do not want you to look up the answers. Don't feel like you have to. The goal right now would be to have somewhere between a 75 to 80% if you haven't studied yet. If you have not studied at all, you want to have somewhere around this percentage. If you have below that, then that means that you'll need to do some studying, right? If you get higher than this, 100%, then you may not need to do as much, right? Take that form, then get the results, look at them, look at every question you missed, every question you missed. Where's Batman at when I need him? Let's say that you missed a question about the Declaration. Then you put a little hash mark right here next to it, right? Put a little hash mark here. I missed one there. Let's say you missed 4 questions that seem to be related to the Constitution. And any of the checks and balances and separation of powers questions goes with the U.S. Constitution, right? Tally up everything and see if there's a pattern. If there's a pattern and you see like, oh my goodness, I missed all of those U.S. Constitution questions, then that means that, this is where you need to target right here for your studying. Okay? So this is kind of a self-reflection kind of thing to see where you're at. No, it's not worth summative points or anything like that right now. This is to prepare you for the test, and to show you what you know. After you're done with that, then I want you to go all the way down to the bottom of classwork. I want you to go to checks and balances quizzes, click on web link, and I want you to take that quizzes, because that is one of the most difficult things. And all of these test materials that I've got for you here, right? This is probably the most difficult one. Make sure that you've got those checks and balances all straightened out. Take the quizzes, see how you score, see how you rank. That should take you through to the end of the class period. All right. That's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Email me. I'm very sorry I can't be there tomorrow. Uh, that's life. So I apologize. We can talk more about it later if you want. But okay. And that is all that I have for you. So I will stop. I will let you get going. Yeah. Have a good